Oh, oh, daylight cycle's not on. Let me just go to sleep real quick. Oh, okay guys, I'm back. Go down here. Okay. Okay, I'm awake now. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to another Minecraft Let's Play video. And today I have had a lot of construction. I have built a lot of things over the last few episodes. My friend Malone is sadly not in this, but he was in a lot more episodes than I thought he would be in. Okay, still a little bit sleepy. But, oh dang, I should have used the teleporter. But I'll just go ahead and use it. You know, I probably shouldn't have, but... Okay, so... I'm going to go ahead and push the button by skipping. I'll see you all in Frankfurt. Okay, I think we're in Frankfurt. Hold on. Okay, so first things first, as I showed you a couple of episodes ago what my gamer tag was, you can join me if you want. I mean, you can type in my gamer tag, I'll accept it, and if I find out how, I'll let you join. But, anyway, so the water park, here's the water park, so you come in, and it's a step away from the stairs. You know, every pool has like that little step you like come up and get the little thing. I'm sorry about this little thing right here. It's all like wacky and stuff, but I'll try to fix all that. But anyway, at least you can see. But so anyway, you walk in. There's a lot of stairs in the corners and everything. And let's say your mom's going to get a chair in there, and you wanna like go, oh, I want a boat adventure. What I do is like I get my leather stuff on. I get my swimming trunks on, which is this. And my favorite color is blue, so I'm gonna get the blue dye. So I'm gonna go. I don't know how to. I don't know how to dye, but okay, anyway. D-Y-E, not D-I-E. So let's get my swim trunks on. Take all this stuff off. And then let's get to it. I know cats hate water, but I'm a loving cat. So you go back to creative, and then get a boat, which is what you pretty much need. Then go back to survival. Right. And then these chests are full of boats, but I kind of want one out of my inventory. So place one here. And wait till it, yeah. And then you come on down. Whee! And then you like swim around in the boat. I'm just going to leave that there in case it just... And then let's say you want to go get a steet. There's also a snack bar, which I'll show you in a sec. And then, yeah, there's all these steets, and if you kind of just want to, if you don't want to be outside, sort of, this used to be, gonna be a, orphanage, but I put it in the seat spot of the water park. So you come in, you choose a seat or whatever, and if you want to be in, like, the certain spot, there's, like, nether bricks, there's spruce of this, and then, let's see what it looks like at nighttime. Even though it's going to be closed at nighttime. It looks really cool at nighttime. Now it's open. So, if you want, let's say you're like, Mommy, I want a snack. You come over here, you come up this ladder, which is right there. You come up this ladder. And then employees only. So, there's this awesome snack bar, which I put slime blocks, so if you want to jump down, it is really cool. I'm thinking about making this a server, but anyway. Now let's go to Chick-fil-A. Okay, so Chick-fil-A is only the second. I'm building Burger King, so let's go ahead and go. Chick-fil-A, awesome. There's a cow up here. Whoop. Yep. I just fell. Yep. Okay. So there's a cow up here. Wow. Okay. There's a cow up there. I can just looking. There's that awesome cow. And then Chick-fil-A, more chicken. And obviously me, if you want to eat really high, you come up here. And then you can just eat up here. And then you're like, I'm the tallest person in the world! Whoops. Okay, I'll fix that. And then there's behind the counter, which, you know, in Chick-fil-A they have, like, right beside where you order, there's like a little cup thing where they refill your cups up here. That's what these are. There are these. And then in these chests there's obviously what you think, food. And then obviously, just because I'm not lying, just to prove, there's a daylight sensor. And then, yeah, and then I am building a Burger King. Here's the Our House, O-U-R. And here's Burger King, and I'm gonna show you like a little slideshow of that. And everybody, if you want to check in the description for my friend Gavin's channel, you can go and look at that. And yeah, please go check on that channel. Good.